Hi, Kieran. Something Kieran always does in the bouncy chair is he never wants to sit in it. He wants to stand. So he just climbs higher and higher. Do you want to do that now, or are you going to mock me by not doing it when I'm trying to video you? Hi. Hi, cutie. Hi. Whoa, yeah, oh, better climb, better walk, walk, walk. Oh my goodness. Hi. Yeah? What else are you going to do? Whoa. Oh, hi. Oh, stand on those feet. Yeah. You're going to go even higher? Whoa, you can't even see the little fish anymore. Sometimes you go even higher. Whoa. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you just lost all your head start. Okay. Now what? Now what are you going to do? Whoa, hi. You have a little star on your shirt. Did you know that? It's a little smiley star. Huh. Hi. Good thing you're buckled in, huh? Yeah. Oh, your legs are so strong. Oh my goodness. Your brother used to like to stand too, but I think this is even more than he used to do. Okay. Say bye. Bye. See you later.